Hello,
Hi,
how are you today?
I am good. And you?
I am fine. Thank you.
That's good to hear.
What is your name?
My name is Julie.
Nice to meet you. Julie,
Nice to meet you too. And what is your name?
my name is John.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
That's nice. Is it cold there?
Yes, it is very cold.
I see. Where do you live now?
I live in the city.
Do you like the city?
Yes, I do. How old are you?
I am 18 years old.
Oh, you are young.
Yes, I am. How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
That's great.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What do you study?
I study English.
That's great.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like it very much.
Is it easy for you?
Not really, but I try.
That's good. What do you do every day?
I go to school.
What time do you go?
I go at 8 a.m.
What do you do after school?
I go home and relax. What do you like to do?
I like listening to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I do.
What kind of movies?
I like funny movies.
Me too.
That's great.
What is your favorite food?
I like pizza.
That sounds delicious.
Do you cook?
No, I don't cook much.
I understand.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play football.
That's great. I like watching sports.
What do you do on the weekend?
I usually stay at home. Sometimes I go out with friends.
That sounds fun.
Yes, it is.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have a few friends.
That's nice.
Do you see them often?
Yes, I see them every week.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will go to school. What about you?
I will stay at home.
Do you have any plans this weekend?
Yes, I will visit my family.
That sounds nice.
Yes, I am excited.
Do you travel often?
Not really, but I want to travel more. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Japan. That's a great place.
Yes, I hope to go one day.
What is your favorite place?
I like the park.
Why do you like it?
It is quiet and relaxing.
I like that too.
How is the weather today?
It is sunny.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I love sunny days.
Me too.
Do you want to get some coffee?
Yes, that sounds good.
Let's go together.
Okay. I know a place.
Great. I am happy to meet you.
Me too.
Let's talk again soon.
Yes, of course.
Take care.
You too.
See you.
Goodbye.